Hey guys, we are really excited to be reaching out to all of you today. If you're watching this video on maybe our Facebook group or maybe our YouTube channel, we have this really exciting announcement, as you can see over here. Season 3 of Majulah GCP. So we went through Season 1 and Season 2 before, many different learning experience along then, and many exciting rewards. So what do we have in store for you today? Of course, if you're interested, you can immediately look at the shortened link, but we'll give you a brief rundown on what's going to go on.
So with every Majulah GCP, there is a specific theme around it. So this time the theme is infrastructure and application development on GCP. So this specific theme, essentially, many people will probably be pretty interested in it. Like, all companies out there, there's definitely a need to handle the infrastructure of how your applications are going to be developed and going to be deployed to production. Because I guess that's the end goal for most applications out there. And yeah, so this Majulah GCP, you can get to the URL that we showed earlier. You can check the details out, but it's not going to start like now. It's going to start on the date you see here, which is 6 March 2021. I'm not sure whether I pronounced that date right, but yeah. And with every Majulah GCP, there are prizes to be won, not won, but there are prizes. There are things that you can redeem. So, Wei Yan, take it away.
All right. So as I mentioned, and also as Harizwan has introduced, many exciting rewards. I think you can see over here, I'm wearing one of them from previous seasons. So you can see there are many different things in this screenshot over here. Some of it, there's this LED display thermos flask, which I'm very excited to actually be able to use later on. So let's take a look at how can you qualify for these rewards. All right. So here is mainly quite similar to what we had for the previous seasons. As long as you clear some tasks, you will be able to qualify for different tiers of this reward. So to clear the first tier, you need to complete 6 quests. If you complete 12 quests or more, you qualify for the second tier, which will basically be able to get you to have all of the rewards. So if you want to have all of these rewards, including if let's say you are doing DevOps work, you build a lot, you bake a lot of DevOps, like those Docker images, that apron is definitely something that you don't want to miss, right? So we definitely want to see you, in the coming month, participating in this Majulah GCP and be able to complete this quest and get your hands on all these different rewards.
All right. So, what are you guys waiting for? Just check out the link down there and see you guys there.